Hi, we're Crate Happy Family, and this week is our STEAM week, so we're learning about science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. The topic this week is levers. So we're going to be building the 3 types of levers
using Lego.
Yep. We also found examples of each of the 3 types of levers, so we can see them in action. And then later, we're going to be building an arcade game using levers.
And we are both so excited.
Yeah, we are.
So
let's get started. Hey, this is Grant from the future. I realized after we finished shooting this video that we have a good friend who uses levers every day. He does excavation work and he uses a skid steer. That thing is covered with levers and he lets us drive it. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because that machine is awesome.
Oh, it's fastly changing. The clocks are here.
A lever is a straight piece that has 3 parts. There is a fulcrum. That's the part that everything moves around. We have what's called the effort. That's the part that you push or pull. And then you have a load. The load is the thing that you're trying to move. There are 3 classes of levers.
This is a first-class lever.
In a first-class lever, the fulcrum is between the other 2 parts. The second-class lever has the load in the middle. And this is the effort. That's the part where you lift. This type of lever is good for lifting something heavy because it reduces the amount of effort you have to use to lift it. In a third-class lever, the effort is between the other 2 parts. A Class 3 lever is really useful when you have a strong lifting force, but that lifting force can't move very far.
Like tractors and bulldozers?
Yep, like the hydraulics on the arms of tractors and bulldozers. You see, the effort doesn't have to move very far to lift the load. But if I've got something heavy out here, I have to be really strong to lift that this way. Let's look at some real-world examples of levers that we found around our house.
So, first we got some scissors. This is a Class 1. The fulcrum is in the middle. The effort is in where you put your hands. And the load is where you cut. The second tool is a pair of pliers.
This can act as a first-class lever or a second-class lever, depending on how you use it. If you use this part out here, it's like a pair of scissors, a first-class lever. But there's also a gripper right here. If you use it that way, then
it's a second-class lever how you're using it.
Yep, because the load is in the middle of the fulcrum and the effort. If the load is in the middle, then it's a second-class lever. And this acts a lot like a nutcracker, if you've ever played with one of those.
Next, we have a knife.
When you use a craft knife like this one, it acts like a third-class lever. I press down in the middle of the knife. That's my effort. My hand acts like the fulcrum, holding the end of the knife still. And the other end, the blade, is the load. That's where I'm cutting. The effort is in the middle, which makes it a third-class lever. What are some things you have around your house that use levers?
Leave it in the comments down below.
Now that we know a bit more about levers, let's make a game using levers.
Kiwi Co.
Okay, there's the tape.
This is your first Kiwi Crate.
Whoa, what? No! This is amazing!
Whoa. Yeah, let's get this on.
Wait, I think I'm actually gonna be able to make a crane? I'm actually gonna be able to make a crane.
This says arcade. Have you ever seen that game with the claw?
Yeah.
That you can pay for and you get a prize if you grab it? You're gonna make a claw arcade game.
Should we start building it?
Yes!
Yeah.
My turn?
Yep.
Okay.
Taking turns. Try getting the pom-pom.
Okay.
Guys. Well, just get whatever you want. Yay! You got a pom-pom! Okay. If you get two, you would be lucky.
Oh
Yay! Get that one. Yeah, get the big one out.
no! Oh, I don't know if it'll come out. Oh. Ah. Oh!
Ah! You can't do it again. You can't go again.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep, I will.
Ooh. Oh no, it's in the corner. Ah! Oh no!
Yay! I get it.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, so count your toys.
I got 4.
I got 2.
So
You win.
but we're doing
Alright, now we're over at Sam's house. We're going to see how many different levers we can find in the tools that he uses.
There's a lever for you. We can pick up the whole truck just by driving up here. And I'll shove this thing on here and you can squeeze that thing until we see grease coming out. The grease will come out right over here.
It's amazing how many places you can find levers. If you have a little guy or girl in your life that likes to build stuff, or maybe you like to tinker or do crafts, KiwiCo has crates for all ages. And if you use our referral link in the description, you can get a $10 credit on your first box. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. Also, check out our video where Elisha learns to code his own apps. Thanks for being part of our Crate Happy family. See you lever! Also, we found examples of each of the types of levers so we can see them in action.
Start over.